Benefits of contingency planning. Minimize downtime. A well-prepared plan can reduce amount of time on organization is offline during a crisis. Let's look at why every business needs a well-thought-out contingency plan and what benefits it brings in times of crisis. A contingency plan isn't just for large corporations, it's essential for any business that wants to stay resilient and reliable in the face of unforeseen challenges. When disasters strike, time is money, and every minute that a business is offline costs money, productivity, and customer trust. A contingency plan aims to get the business back on its feet quickly as possible by outlining what needs to be done and who needs to do it. By having this roadmap, organizations can reduce amount of time it takes to recover and get critical operations up and running faster. Think about a bank that experienced a system failure. With a contingency plan in place, the bank can shift to a backup servers almost immediately, minimizing the downtime for online banking services and ensuring customers can continue transaction without too much interruption. Number 2, preserves reputation. Responding quickly and effectively to emergency helps protect the company's reputation with customer stakeholders. In a world where customers expect quick service and reliability, how a business responds to emergencies can make or break its reputation. When a company responds effectively and transparently during a crisis, it sends a message that they are in control and have the best interests of their customers at heart. This kind of response builds trust and loyalty. Imagine a retail company that faces a major data breach. If they have a contingency plan, they can alert customers quickly, explaining how they'll handle the breach and secure customer information. By addressing the issue transparently and effectively, they show they value customer trust, ultimately preserving their reputation. Next is legal and regulatory compliance. In some businesses, having a contingency plan is a regulatory requirement, and failing to have one could result in fines or other penalties. In certain industries, having contingency plan is not just a best practice but a regulatory requirement. This is particularly true for sectors like finance, healthcare, and government services. Regulatory agencies often require business to have a specific plans for handling crises to ensure customer protection and data security. Failing to comply with this regulation can result in hefty fines, penalties, or even legal action. A healthcare provider that loses patient data in a system outage without a proper plan could face fines under data protection laws. Having a contingency plan in a place to safeguard patient information, manage emergencies, and communicate quickly with regulators ensures they stay compliant and avoid these penalties. Financial protection. By limiting the duration and impact of disruption, business can save money and reduce losses associated with downtime, damaged assets, or lost customers. Disruption can lead to significant financial loss, from lost sales and productivity to potential penalties and the cost of repairs for placements. A contingency plan helps minimize these financial impacts by ensuring quick recovery times, protecting assets, and retaining customers' loyalty. By managing risk and reducing downtime, limit financial damage disruption.